Hello, everyone. So it is once again May, which is EDS and HSD Awareness Month. For this month, they have a photo per day idea. I'm going to try and do a video and submit it each day on the channel. We will see if that happens, but that's my goal. A lot of them may be recorded in advance and just set to go live, just so you guys are aware of what's going on there. Not that you notice that I'm posting every day, but as I've always said, that I take a social media break on Sundays. So if there is a video on Sundays, that's because it's been posted to go live. So for May 1st, the theme is Meet Me. And I think it's about getting to know that people with HSD and EDS are regular people. As part of that, I wanted to show that we are regular people. I actually have another channel that I stream every day, Monday through Saturday, Wizards Unite on. And I had the idea of, if you actually are a Potterhead or someone else playing Wizards Unite, or maybe even Pokemon Go, but especially Wizards Unite, I'm really encouraging those people to go through and try and join us in our awareness challenge and post their kilometers that they are walking for that challenge on the different social media things I have. I have Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook. You can post on my Facebook business page, The Wellness Space. Pinterest. I do have some on that one, maybe a little bit harder to post on. Instagram. If there's some that you think I should have that ability available, let me know. What I'm encouraging those who are part of the Wizards Unite community to do is to come and post on those boards how many points you've got, and then post any new points you get so that I can keep track. I also have a Discord page that I will share in the link so that I can keep track of how many awareness points people in the Wizards Unite community actually help us accumulate. I think that would be really cool. It would be a great way to share the message that we're all in this together. So I'm asking for people, whether you are able, disabled, whatever, whether you have EDS, know someone with EDS, or just want to help us share and spread awareness of HSD or EDS, of these conditions, and get the word out. Please join us in doing this. So there's that. I also, on my Facebook page, you can access it from my business page or my personal page. I have a fundraiser that is active and going. I will make sure it's a public page. I think I forgot to do that. I will put the links down in the description for my Facebook business page, for the Discord page, and on most social medias you can look up The Wellness Space or The Wellness Space LLC and find those. I may be offering some other rewards through Redbubble, proceeds from that or things like that. And I will be working towards creating some more awareness materials on that. So just thought I'd let you know. Obviously, that's who I am. I'm a mom. You could hear in the background things going on even as I recorded this. I'm pretty sure. I'm a business person. I'm someone with EDS, but I'm a normal person. And that's one thing that we need to remember as we talk about these diseases. We are someone with, not we have this condition, not the condition is who we are. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.